Welcome back. It's Vlogmas Day 11, and we are making candy lollipops and poles for the North Pole. So you need pool noodles, clear plastic ornaments, and some colored tape. So come and join us.
Sticks.
Okay.
And then you insert your pool noodle.
Like so, like that?
Like so, like that. But honestly, before you insert your pool noodle in the ground,
I'll put it in the
ground. Like, you know what I mean? So it could.
Yeah, before and then you slide it on.
Like that. See, and then I like to end it like this.
Okay. Let me see. Show me the end. Top.
Oh.
Okay, like that. Oh, that's good. Okay. Okay, ta-da!
Ta-da! Here's your pool noodle.
Oh, thanks. Okay, so then we're gonna. So normally what we have. What the hell is my thing? To do the So how would you normally do this then? With the.
So I would suggest
Okay,
if you're gonna stick this in here, right? It's not enough space, so you have to cut.
But what about with this? It's gonna. Would it be like
you
a
could
perfect
put
fit?
it in there, but
You think it'll fall out?
yeah.
What if
Honestly,
I glue? What if I
look at
glue?
that. If it's perfect without that silver thing.
Oh, right there. Okay, cool.
Yes!
See.
Ta-da.
Okay.
Hey.
Okay, we got 2 North Pole poles. And a lollipop.
Yeah, for the lollipop. Oh, you want to show that on your...
No, that's for rocks. That's for Santa. Weird drawings, making drawings for Santa. It's arts and crafts in this house. Oh wait, glue it? Don't glue it.
No gluing.
Okay.
But you take, you know... I didn't have to rip it off, but I did.
Oh, okay.
Kind of like that.
Okay.
All right. And then, you know...
Okay.
Now you rap, you rap.
Yep.
Wow, wow, wow. Ooh. Wow, wow, wow. He gonna eat me like a mango.
Why did I know that was it was gonna be part of that song? It was one of them.
I don't speak doggo. I don't care what no bitch say. I got condos up in that bitch.
My Lanta. We finished.
Okay. So now to make your lollipop, right? You just fold this little piece in.
Okay.
And you keep
that way. Okay.
Folding.
It's kind of like baking.
Uh-huh. So I got these nails.
Okay.
The goal is for them just not to come out.
Okay.
You push and see, ta-da. Now let me go get you a bag. Hold on. Boom, you get the knife. Stab it. I feel like I can make it a little bit different. way.
Get your pole.
Dick. Now you get your bag. Boom.
Like a lollipop.
Mm-hmm.
I got
Ribbon. You gotta push it. Push it. Push it real good. Push it. You can do it, yeah. You did it. And then, bam, bam.
Like make a whole bunch and line up your yard. So that was quick, simple, and easy. We're gonna end Vlogmas here. Thanks to my workers and my elves. Yeah, elf number 2. Say bye.
Bye.
See you guys later.
See you guys later.
See you guys next Vlogmas.